Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Ray Marhenio, and for today's vlog, we're going to do a black foam gondola experience here at Whistler. So let's go! Guys, this is actually my second time here in Gondola Whistler, pero unfortunately today it's actually a little smoky kasi may wildfire sa Kelowna, so it's actually pretty bad in there. So yeah, kahit papano is experience ko pa rin. So let's go! So guys, the price of the ticket is actually for two it's actually 199, almost 200. So it's a day pass. So it will take around 4 hours here para ma-experience mo lahat ng gondola. So let's go! Guys, nandito na kami sa loob ng gondola. Isa sa mga gondola dito papunta sa taas. Tapos mamaya sasakay kami ng gondola peak to peak. Yan. Ang sabi nila dito, ang first gondola it will take around 15 minutes. So, nandito na kami sa medyo kalagitnaan ng bundok. Ito yung ating gondola na sinasakyan. Ayan, pataas tayo ng pataas. Tumataas na po ang ating altitude. Ang dami pong nakapila kanina. So kahit medyo smoky today, I think, kasi siyempre hindi naman nila na-expect na naandito sila ngayong araw na to, na magkaka-smoke pa lang ngayong araw na to. So tuloy pa rin. Medyo mababa yung visibility ngayon, medyo smoky talaga, pero kaya naman, i-appreciate na lang yung ganda ng Whistler. So yan. So guys, nandito na kami sa first stop. Papunta na kami sa peak to peak. So nandito na sa likod ko yung peak to peak, sa isa sa mataas na lugar dito sa Whistler. Actually malamig, pero carry. Siguro mga weather o temperature dito is around 17, pero kaya naman. Ang ganda mo. Welcome to Black Hole Peak to Peak. Let's go!
Guys, meron pala ditong dalawang linya. Yung isang linya na pipilahan mo is yung linya na para dun sa gondola na may salamin sa floor. At yung isa naman is yung regular lang. So doon kami pumila sa gondola na makikita mo yung ilalim, yung salamin yung tatapakan. Mas maganda yun kasi makita mo yung pinaka bundok at makita mo yung scenery sa ilalim. So yeah, let's go. Can we wait?
It's up to you if you want to wait.
Let's go. Let's go.
Another 13 minutes.
It's okay. That's fine. We're just gonna. Sorry.
That's the southern wall. And he fell there and they probably came to pick it up.
But he had to be backed off.
Yeah. He went at the Vancouver hospital.
Wow.
He spent a month out there. Not so bad, is it? You wanna go vlog there?
A bit like he was about this.
Huh? That's one hell of a zip line, isn't it?
Yeah, there is something.
Way to the right. Imagine. Strong one.
Okay, well,
Can you see the air?
He does. Oh, give him shit. No, like, this whole thing.
Yeah, me too. I was thinking about that.
So guys, nandito ako ngayon sa Pick to Pick Lounge. Meron ditong coffee shop saka restaurant. Welcome to Whistler! Yee! May yelo pa dun, oh.
Shit, ang sakit sa ano.
Ang taas na, no? Wow! Guys, nandito na kami sa tuktok ng mundo. Ito na ang taas na namin, oh.
Hawakan mo mabuti yung phone.
Wow! Wow! Ang taas na namin. Tapos may ice pa dito. Ayun, oh. May ice pa, oh. Ang daming ice, oh. Wow.
Oo nga, may yellow pa.
Hindi siya natutunaw. Diyan kami pupunta, guys, sa tulay na bakal. Tatawid kami diyan. Tapos dahil mayroon nga pong wildfire sa Kelowna, ito na, hindi mo na makita yung mga bundok. Ayan, pero ma-enjoy pa rin namin yan. So guys, pupunta naman kami sa Sky Bridge. So guys, that's all for today's vlog. Hope you guys like my video and don't forget to subscribe. See you on my next vlog. Bye bye.